Welcome to our video, Beyond the Megapixel. We're dissecting the anatomy of a perfect mobile camera and what truly makes a great phone camera. This is your guide to understanding mobile cameras, moving beyond the common misconception that megapixels are the be-all and end-all of image quality. As you can see, comparing a 108 megapixel camera to a 12 megapixel one proves a critical point. More pixels do not automatically mean better photos. Great cameras rely on three fundamental elements working together: physics, optics, and silicon. These elements determine the final image quality. Sensor size is crucial for catching light. Generally, larger sensors capture more light, which results in better image quality and detail. Aperture, represented by the f number, controls the amount of light entering the lens. A lower f number, like f/1.6, indicates a wider opening, capturing more light than a smaller aperture like f/2.4. We see two methods for image stabilization. Optical Image Stabilization, or OIS, uses hardware to move the physical lens. Electronic Image Stabilization, or EIS, is a software solution that crops the digital image, which can lower detail. Modern smartphones often include multiple lenses: main, ultra-wide, and telephoto, giving users versatility in their photography. The silicon element refers to the software and processing power. Software transforms raw data captured by the sensor into the final image, or ART. Smart HDR, or High Dynamic Range, is a software feature that balances light and shadow by merging multiple exposures into one well-exposed photo. Night mode utilizes computational photography to align multiple frames and remove grain, drastically improving low-light photos. Zero shutter lag technology ensures you catch the exact moment you intend to capture, vital for fast-moving subjects. For video, pro-grade quality is defined by high specifications like 4K resolution, 60 frames per second, and 10-bit HDR for rich colors. When buying a phone camera, prioritize hardware features. Look for a large sensor, a wide aperture, and hardware OIS for the best results. Ultimately, the best camera is the one you have with you. Remember these technical points to ensure the camera in your pocket captures perfect images.